You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and welcome to today's analysis. If you look at it, Bitcoin have a little sell-off after a gradual move to the upside, and right now market is coming down. Is this market going to go back to the downside up to this very point I was talking about if the market break on this region? And if you look at the 1-day chart, you see the market is moving down. If the market moves sluggishly into this level, then it is very significant for us. And if the market go drastically downward, it is also very significant for us. We took a position on this very pair on futures and target already hit. I'm going to show you that and the reason why we took that position into this analysis. Watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Don't forget to subscribe to our forex channel as well. On the 1-day chart, like I have been talking about on this channel, that the market have capacity of moving down than moving to the upside. The possibility of market moving to the upside is there, as it is in every market. And what I have been talking about on this channel is market coming back down, and that you should pay attention to shorting the market rather than buying. So if you are following this analysis on this channel and you are taking short opportunity, congratulations, because the market should be in your favor, especially the analysis on the 4-hour chart. The analysis on the 1-day may delay to play out because it is a higher time frame. But right now, what I am still expecting from this level of resistance is that the market move downward. And one thing very important is in trading, you have to understand what we call market momentum. So market momentum is a very key factor to which if the market is going to hit a target or not. So if the market move with a little momentum to this area, then it also means that market can stay here for some time before it breaks, or market will completely lack the capacity of breaking this very level of support. So when you take trade, monitor the way the market approach your target, because it's very important for you to not neglect market momentum. So what I am still expecting on the 1-day chart is the market move downward, and like I said, a breakout here is a severe move to the upside because this is a very strong resistance, and anytime a strong resistance is broken in the market, it means that the market is going to move aggressively up or downward. So in this case, if market break on this level of resistance right here, then the market is going to move drastically upward, which is what you should be watching. And on the 4-hour chart Bitcoin, you see the market come into this zone and then reaction, market come back again. I was talking to you about this very area of support. The market should find support at this very point for retracement. You see the market move all the way from this very area down into this level, so retracement expected. And that is what I am still expecting. This very move we see right here, the market have capacity of breaking, and a breakout here is going to send the market back a little bit downward. Not that much. A breakout here is going to make this market to come into this very level of support, this very area. So if market break, the market is going to come here, then we're going to see that very significant retracement will come into the market, and a failure of the market breaking this very area of support, then it means that the market is going to retrace from here significantly upward before the next drop to the downside. So what you should do right now on Bitcoin is not to buy, in as much as we know that this is a very critical support, but market is going to come in here and retrace. A breakout here, market will not move any much longer. Okay, so this very point is not a big move from where the market is, so market can just plot here and begin to move to the upside for significant retracement. So what you need to do now is to wait. Okay, so pay attention to the market, wait for the market to retrace. At the end of retracement will be a nice time for you to take a short position. Always look for short position at the moment on Bitcoin. And on ETH, if you look at this, market is going downward. I told you to watch this very level of support, this very area, and a breakout here mean that the market is going to move to the downside. Market is completely in the zone. Don't expect any aggressive move to the downside. You have to understand that when markets move aggressively downward all the way from this area into this zone, market always need retracement before continuation. So always watch out for that kind of significant retracement in the market before continuation. So if you look at this retracement, it's not what you will count as a significant retracement, because market just dropped down and then we have retracement right here. Market can come back down again. A failure to create a new low at this point will mean that the market is going to retrace significantly before the final drop to the downside from this very area. And I will be updating you as well on this very channel. It is very important, guys. Don't fail to pay attention to this level on ETH. Is a very important level. Reason why, this is where the market moved from drastically in the past. So market moved all the way from here to the top right here, and right now the market is down into the same level, and this is very important. You need to pay attention to this. And one very important trade we took on Storj USDT right here is this very trade in the premium signal group. So this very area, we see this very trade was given today and we are already in profit. Not only that, we've hit target. You look at the entry right here, the first target, second target, the stop loss, and the leverage. Okay, if you look at that very position right here, I'll quickly understand that the market have a way of tricking newbie in the market, and you will not just understand when to properly enter a trade with accurate market timing. Okay, that is why we took a position right here in the premium signal group for a short for market to come down. And this is very important. Market is going to come down. We've already hit our first target, approaching the second target right now, and market is going to come down into this zone. So I am expecting this market to drop down into this very area of support. This very area of support is very important. Market drop into this area for retracement. So what I'm expecting right now is just a slight movement into this area, and the market is going to retrace and give us another discount to the downside into the same level. If you are not in the premium signal group, what you should do right now is to wait for the market to retrace. At the end of retracement will be a nice time to short the market again to the downside, and this is very important. So wait for that very retracement to come in on this very pair before taking a short position. Where the market is right now is the right place to buy or sell. Market is going to retrace, no doubt, but that retracement is a short retracement before continuation, and this is what you need to watch on this very pair. ADA USDT, I told the market is going to come down. Market has been coming down right from the time we took a position from this very area right down, and we are already in profit. We've exited this trade already because market hit our target at this very point, and right now market is plunging to the downside. What I am expecting on this market is this very area of support is very important right here, and this very point is where I am expecting the market to pause for next move to the upside. If you look at it, market from here drop into this point, and then from here market go up. Market is going to come back to this very area before significant retracement, and that is what I am expecting. So don't buy the market where the market is right now. Don't short the market where the market is right now. Market is going to go into this area a little bit, and then from this very zone we're going to see market move up a little bit before continuation back down. It will be wise for you to wait for market to retrace. At the end of retracement will be a nice time to short the market to the downside on ADA USDT. And one very important pair I want to talk about today is Loom USDT. Loom have been going to the upside, and I have also considered a potential short position on Loom right here, but accurate market timing is very important. If you look at this area, market has been moving all the way from this very zone right here to the upside, and market have not get any significant retracement from this very zone. So we see a significant retracement from here to the downside. Markets move again, and from the Elliott wave pattern, market has moved 3 times. Say market move the first time, retrace, second time, retrace, third time, market is going to have a significant retracement before any further move to the upside. So I am now considering a short position on loom to the downside from this very area, and accurate market timing is required. Once I get that confirmation, I will drop that signal in the premium signal group right here for a short to the downside on any exchange at all that you are trading. So expect the market to drop right down on loom, and the target I am expecting, first target is this very area of support right here, and second target will be at this very point. So important level you need to watch right now is these 2 points as target, and where I'm expecting the market to drop from is from this price level of 0.211, and this very area where the market is right now. Market should drop from this zone into this very area. A 1 to 1.5 and 1 to 2 risk reward ratio is a good deal on this very pair right now. So proper market timing before entry is required on this very pair for a short position, and I will drop the signal right here on the premium signal group once I get that confirmation in the market. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys, on these various pairs. On the 1-day chart, I am still expecting that this market come back down, as I have been talking about on this channel, which is very, very important. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. You see a contact and reach out to me to enroll for the Remit Trade trading course. And if you want to join this premium signal group, check the contact below in the description and reach out to me, but know that it is not a free group. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.